Howdy, my fellow wood gas addict. Here's a little update on the Charlek project. It has the original parts, the gasifier made from the air tank, the cyclone for the hot gases that hopefully cools the gas, the flow path of the gas from the cyclone to the first of the cooling cylinders that will be filled with stony stuff. Down here, the usual YouTube arrangement upon which you can view this video with this little drain valve connects a second tank, cooling cylinder, to the gas stream. So hopefully between these two the gas will have been cooled to room temperature and most of the water will have been dumped out of him. Around the corner we go through a bit of radiator hose. Oh, what handy stuff this is. Around we go, down to the bottom again, around another corner, done with radiola hose, and up to another of our screw fittings, to the final filter tube, which will be mainly stainless steel, followed up with camel fuzz. Then around the corner through yet another piece of radiola hose, down to nowhere. Eventually that nowhere will be somewhere. There'll be a blower and a flare port, a valving system, and the grunter, once I fix it, tied on to this gasificator. The exhaust from the engine will come round the corner and will enter the tank. It'll be, actually at the bottom of the tank. It will spiral around like so to help with the drying of any fuel I put in here. So I think I might put a hinge on this, the original lid from this gas tank, to become a convenient way of retaining the fuel basket. Then from here there's going to be a tangentially mounted pipe that points at this. It doesn't have to go in, just point at it, it will be enough. And that should conduct cooled engine exhaust back into the reactor, thereby assisting in cooling him down and getting more efficiency from him. So that's the state of play at the moment. See, my CNC machine's been getting a bit artsy here. Look at that. It's even written the name Charlek on there. Because these cylinders are actually quite heavy, I've got this arrangement here. One undoes the wing nut and pull this plate off. A bit awkward because these are quite heavy. There we go. Now that that's off, one has to lift the cylinder only that little bit to get it free of the frame. Once they're back in again, this retainer can be returned to its former position. It's a little bit hard to do while holding the camera because when I push on this the trolley moves with it, but you get the idea. Alrighty, boys and girls, here's hoping you enjoyed your update of the Charlek beast. Oh, I see one of my ponies has come to inspect the lawn. This old girl's been with me for the last 25 years. She's looked after me well too. She keeps me well fed and she trims my hooves for me. Okay, boys and girls, time to run away before I get chased away.